Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel and another layout for the Unscrapped Bundle of Joy series with the lovely Melissa Vining. Today I'm going to be scrapping these two photos of my son and my newborn daughter. He was absolutely thrilled to to meet his little sister. He was so excited to be a big brother, and he's been happy about it ever since. To be honest, they got on like a house on fire, so it makes my life easier for sure. I printed them out. One's larger than the other and in colour, and the other is slightly smaller and black and white. They're very similar. One he's looking at her, and the other he's looking up at the camera with just the happiest little smile on his face. So I wanted to get them both onto this layout. I am also combining this with a challenge in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club group. One of the challenges for the group is it's a storybook challenge, and we had to include 5 things. So something gold, something blue, something small, the word sweet, and our favorite embellishment. So I do manage to get all that onto this layout. So just a fun way to kind of inspire yourself if you're really not sure how to start a layout or where you want to go with it. It's good to start with a challenge sometimes. It just helps, I don't know, helps steer the direction of the layout if you really don't know where you want to go with it. So I'm using mostly the crepe paper Magical Forest collection. The background paper is a Kaisercraft paper from, oh gosh, let's see if I can remember. I want to say Memory Lane. It's a really old collection anyway. It's just a very pale cream with a kind of blush rose pattern all over the background. None of the pattern papers that I got with this collection really went with the, I don't know, the feel that I wanted for this layout, because it is a baby layout. A lot of the pattern papers that I got were a bit too bold for a background, so that's why I pulled in that one. Everything else is going to be from Magical Forest though. I'm using quite a few pieces off that cut apart sheet. I've done a couple of layouts like this lately where I've just taken kind of my photos and cut aparts and kind of squarish embellishments and made a kind of vertical, not really a grid, just kind of like stacked up all those squares and rectangles in a kind of vertical pattern. Yeah, I'm just enjoying it. The layouts come together really quickly that way, kind of takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. I don't do any mixed media or anything. It's pretty simple. I think I just wanted to, yeah, trying to keep things a bit more simple where I can these days. A lot of my layouts tend to be really elaborate and really over the top, and I kind of just work really hard on a lot of them, and they take a long, long time, and they take a lot out of me. So I try to keep some of them, like this one, a little more simple. I'm going to use this clear sticker that says love to start building up my title. I could have used that Life with You is Wonderful card as my title, but I just really wanted to yeah, make a bit more of a statement here with my larger title. So I'm going to use these puffy stickers from the Magical Forest collection. Oh, those clear stickers, the black script ones, are from Kmart, in case you're wondering, Kmart Australia. These little alphas are from Kmart, no, Kaisercraft. They're the little mini alphas. So my whole title will be I Will Love You Forever, which, yeah, I hope so. They love each other very much at the moment. So my word sweet is going to be that little alpha sticker, or that little phrase sticker that I put up above the So Happy cut apart section. And I'm going to add a couple more of these gold foiled stickers in as well. So my something gold, or is it something gold, something blue? So at the moment I've got a blue photo mat on that photo. I've got these words sweet, and I'm going to come in with the other things in a minute. So I'm just starting to embellish with the sticker sheet now. I like that little fox. I like that it's the same shape that I've got going on. It's another square, so it slots in nicely at that little gap at the top. But I love those little foxes in this collection. That little butterfly sticker is just going to pop just there, just kind of helping to anchor all those words with an icon. So that's my little checklist of things I wanted to get into this layout for the challenge. So I'm taking some of these clear stickers. I am going to add a couple more of these little, they're more moths than butterflies, but that's another blue item. And I kind of like to add I feel weird putting one butterfly on a layout, so I just wanted to try and get 3 on there total. You know, it's not a rule. It's just, yeah, I like to add a few butterflies. So this is another one of the clear stickers, and I will come in with. I just swapped that fox one out for the unicorn, so I'm just going to snip that in half and slide that behind my photo there. I don't know if I'm ever going to use the back half of the unicorn, but you know, I might. I'll keep it anyway for now. So just popping that there, and then I like that little bear, but then I found the little bear head on the sticker sheet and I like that a bit better. So he's going to go there. Just lots of sweet, cute little childhood and baby elements in this collection. I really like it. And this background paper, even though it is pattern paper background, it's not so busy that you can't see the clear stickers, so I'm really liking that. So I'm going to pop in my little tiny clear sticker flowers here, and these are going to be my something small to fulfill the challenge requirements. So I'm just popping those in around those 3 areas. And then I'm going to come in with my something gold, which is my gold mist, which of course goes on every layout. So I'm just going to sprinkle that around. That is the only media that art medium that I put on this layout. So that is just Craft one again, in case you're wondering. And what's next? So I'm just adding some more of those clear stickers on top of my photo there. And these are my favourite embellishment, which is puffy stickers. I don't know whether I have a favourite, but they're definitely one of my top 5. So I'm going to pop those in. 3 of those. They're from Chamel's Box of Crowns, I believe. Really old now, but really sweet little puffies. I'm also going to add this other. It's part of the die cut pack. I don't know why. It's just a piece of pattern paper, really. And then I'm going to add my date on this stamp. I'm just using a Sharpie because the year doesn't go as far as I want it to go. It only goes back to 2019, I think. And I do just have to go over it with my pen because it didn't stamp very well. But otherwise, that is my layout finished. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to go check out Melissa's channel. The link is in the description box below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.